Hi, welcome to our channel Saha Computer Education Center. We are in the series of learning Excel functions. In the last tutorial, we learned about AND function and today we will learn OR function. But before starting, please subscribe our channel if you have not yet subscribed to get our regular notifications for new uploads. And I hope we deserve a like from you and it means a lot for us. So enjoy watching this video. So let's get started. So OR function is a logical function and its syntax is equal to OR. Within first bracket you can put logic 1, 2, 3 or as many logic as you want. And what will be the result of OR function? If any of the logic within the bracket is true, then it will return a result as true, and if all the results are incorrect, then it will return false. So let's understand this with examples. So our first example, we have here two numbers and text. So here we will put a formula equal to or bracket open this cell equal to 5 comma this cell equal to 6 bracket close, enter. We can see here it's returning true because C10 is 5, it is correct, and D10 is 6, it is also correct. So all the logics are correct, so it is returning true. And now here we will put equal to or this cell equal to 5 comma this cell equal to 7 bracket close, enter. It's also returning true because I have already told you if any one logic is correct then it will return true. So C11 equal to 5, it is correct, but D11 is equal to 6, but in the formula we have given 7, it is incorrect. But as one of the logic is correct, it is returning true. Let's check it with text. Equal to or bracket open this cell equal to ram comma this cell equal to sham bracket close, enter. It's returning true because both the logics are true. Now here we will give incorrect conditions. Equal to or bracket open this equal to 5 comma this cell equal to ram, enter. We can see here it's giving false as a result because C13 is not 5, it is ram, and D13 is not ram, it is sham. So both the logics are incorrect, that's why it's returning false. So let's understand this more better way with real life example. So we have example 2. Here we have given a problem, check whether people has paid the installment through cash, check or Visa card. So first we'll check it with cash or check. That means if any people has paid through cash or check, it will return true, and if paid through Visa card, it will return false. So here equal to or this cell equal to cash comma this cell equal to check, enter. It's returning true because this cell contains here both the conditions have F18 F18. If F18 has cash or check, it will turn true. So it's returning true because it has cash. Now drag this, you can see here this contains check, that's why this logic become true and this logic become false. So as one of the logic is true, it's returning true, and here it's a Visa card, neither it is cash nor check, so it's returning false. So now we will understand more about OR function with more examples. So we have example 3 and 4. So here we can see example 3. It's saying charge rupees 50 extra if paid other than cash or check. If any person paid through check or cash, then we will not pay any extra charge. But if this person is paying other than cash or check, then we will charge extra. So our formula will be equal to if bracket open or this cell equal to cash comma again this cell equal to check bracket close, then rupees 50 else 0, sorry, 0 else rupees 50 bracket close and enter. We can see here it's returning 0 because it is paid through cash. Here you can see OR is returning, press F9 to see the result. You can see the OR is returning true value. That's why we are getting 0. If it returns false, then we'll get rupees 50. So Control Z, enter. Now drag this formula. We can see these two people paid through cash and check, so here no extra charge, and this person paid through Visa card, that's why we are charging extra rupees 50. Let's see here this OR formula. We have selected this and now press F9. You can see it's returning false. That's why we are getting this value. Control Z, enter. And now our example 4. Calculate commission for gold and silver agent whose total sales exceed 50,000 at 4%. That means if a person is gold or silver agent type and exceeds the 50,000 total sale, then he will get 4% commission, otherwise not. So here equal to if, so we have to test two conditions, that is this person must be gold or silver, and number two, this total sale must exceeds 50,000. That's why we will also use AND function. We have learned the AND function in previous tutorial. If you have not learned the AND function, you can watch that video. I have given the link in the description box and also in the I button on the top right corner. So and then use OR. So within AND we are using OR. This cell equal to gold comma this cell equal to silver. That means this OR function will test that is this cell is gold or silver. If it's gold or silver, then OR function will return true, else it will return false, comma this cell. Now we are giving second condition of AND greater than equal to 50,000 bracket close for AND. Our logic test is complete. Now we will give comma. If this is true, then we will have this cell into 4%. That means total cells into 4%. Otherwise 0 bracket close, enter. So we got commission 3,800. Now drag this. We can see this person got the commission, these three doesn't got commission. This is silver, but this total sale is less than 50,000. That's why she has not got any commission. You can see this OR is returning true, but within AND one is true and this one is false. So as one of the result is false, so the total result will return false. So if false, we'll get 0. That's why Ctrl Z or press escape is returning 0. So in this way, you can use OR function, or you can combine both AND OR within if function. So I hope you understood this tutorial very well, and if you have any doubts or any queries regarding this tutorial, then you can contact me in the comment section. In the next tutorial, we will learn the NOT function. So thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.